Setting up your VIZIO Smart TV for the first time, let's walk you through the initial setup step by step. Plug your TV into a power source and turn it on using your VIZIO voice remote. Here's the VIZIO logo, and now we're on the setup screen. We're going to begin with selecting our language, and then you'll have to pair your voice remote, which should be done automatically. Next, you'll need to connect to a Wi-Fi network. So choose your Wi-Fi from the list, carefully enter your password, then go left to submit and press OK. After a network has been detected, your TV will start checking for updates. It's very important that you don't turn your TV off while the process is ongoing, so that you have the latest firmware installed. When the update is done, your TV will take a restart, and we will enter the next step, which is giving your VIZIO TV a name. You can choose something from the list or give it a name of your own. In the next step, you'll need to set up your VIZIO account. You can also go to the next page to scan the web page's QR code. Then just sign in with your VIZIO account or create one using your email. And after you have signed in or created your account, you'll see the TV has been added. Now press Select All to agree to all these terms and conditions, and press Accept on all the prompts. Press Get Started, and it will play a video. You can skip this by pressing on Next. On this screen, you can choose which apps you want to be installed on your VIZIO TV. So you can just choose the apps that you're gonna use, and they will be added to your home screen right after the setup. When you're done, press Next, choose some genres, go to the next page, and select Experience VIZIO. Congrats! You have just finished setting up your VIZIO TV. But there's still something very important that needs to be done, which is customizing your TV's picture settings to get the best image quality. Just click on this video that you see on the screen to get a quick guide on how to do it by yourself. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.